fantastic activity for the children today. Nice sensory activity, which is really good for their fine motor skills. Today we're going to be making a squash and a squeeze tomato sauce. So you will need 1 spring onion, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 12 ripe cherry tomatoes, a dessert spoon of oil and some basil. In the following slides, obviously I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. Once you've made it, you can add it to cooked pasta with a bit of grated cheese on the top, or use it as the base, the sauce base for a pizza. And pizza is what we'll be doing next week. Keep on sending your photos in and we'll see you soon. Bye!